Guys, let's check out. If Temu reach out with your collaboration for the first time, but before going to the video, I'm going to talk about the good parts. Them, just only download the app. See me? Download the app and use my promo code. It'll be up on the screen before we start saying. So let's get in that video. Before I'm going to this one here, don't forget to use my promo code DKN5976. So guys, Temu basically give you free shipping and free return up to 90 days, and basically if you get any one of your packages late, you get a $5 credit bonus delivered to your account, basically for compensation. This is a one-piece kitchen utensil wooden. So basically this is $2.49. I love to cook basically, but basically I don't have a big spoon I can use and stir. You can use this to stir soup, porridge. I'm really gonna try some new stuff to one time I cook. I don't know, but I'm juggling. So you can just stay tuned for them type of videos. But yeah, I definitely recommend buying this because yeah, it looks like you can get a good grip on the good swirl and everything. So you know. So yeah guys, I recommend this. Okay, so next we got this 3-piece art print poster. So this is basically for the sporty guys. So I bought this to go in my room. I'm not 100% sure on how to basically deal with this yet, or how to put it on my wall, but this is $5.97. So this is basically just put it on the wall. So it's basically like to keep, it's a boy thing, isn't it? Like this. So basically it's basketball, so it's like, I really saw it on the app and I liked it. It has a nice, neat design. I think this glows in the dark too. You see, I think it glows in the dark too as well. Hold on. I think it does. I'm not quite seeing it, but I'm gonna test it out afterwards. But for now, guys, I basically like this for the picture and the fact that it can go on my wall. You see, so I basically recommend this one. Yeah, I'll sort out this later on. Next one. Next on the list, I had $2.98. I got this 12-piece artificial stems. Basically, I bought this to like decorate my living room. So basically, you can put this in a vase, you can put it in like a plant, you can push it in a pot, whichever one, like a plant pot them. But yeah, but basically, I want to put this in my living room. I think I'm gonna like this. You see, I'm just take it out of the fresh bag and get it, you know. Yeah, I don't know if it comes with scent. I'll test out that though. Yeah, not a scent, but it look good same way. Yeah, I definitely recommend buying this. You see, so as I said, 12 pieces, you can split up into actually 12 pieces, to be honest. So yeah, you can have one over there, one over there, one over there, one everywhere. You know what I mean? So let's go. Guys, really and truly, I'm the first time I scroll from the app here. And really and truly, it's one of the good unboxing that I ever get. But may I tell you, brother, some things are on Temu where you can get for all different kind of reasons. Right? I don't know. I want to try stock up and buy a good amount of people and just go up and add a good amount of things off of Temu. You can get them from offer. You can get things for your kitchen, you can get things for your living room, you can get things when you go up on the road, you can get things if you want to feel comfortable, you can get lights, you can get all different kind of equipment, you can get tools, you can get wrench, all different kinds. If something broke for you, you can replace it, you can get remotes, you can get universal remotes, anything you might need, brother. Anything ranges from all over the world, bro. Anything I can think about, I guarantee you can find that on Temu. Or you're gonna leave Temu with more than where you come for buy. Like literally. Temu has a wide variety of ranges where you can pick from all different kind of places, bro. So really and truly, don't take my word for it. Go online, download the Temu app, use my code, and let me know about it. So next we got this 1-piece square tie-dye carpet. This is set at $4.49. Basically, I bought this for my personal room. I love how it's fluffy and kind of compared to some different type of clothing. You see it? Like the pink, the blue, and the purple. Yeah, just like the blend, like 3 favorite colors, and it just blend up and like a nice matte. You see it? Kind of soft. You see to give that little uptown feeling and the uptown smell. Yeah, it smell cheap now. Yeah, it actually has the fine smell too. So yeah, I bought this. It's actually comfortable. I recommend buying this. You see me? It's actually good enough to put at your living room, room. It's kind of big to be honest, but yeah, you can go and grab this before it empties. But yeah, let's go. Next product. So now we got this 1-piece kitchen spoon holder for $1 and a couple cents. So basically, this, they basically catch it on a wall like so. You see me? You catch it on a wall like so, and you put a spoon in there. So yeah, I recommend buying this if you don't have a dishwasher at home. You see, but the reason I'm buying it, I was gonna put other stuff in there. I'm not gonna tell you what, but I didn't buy it specifically to put the spoons and them something. Thanks for the people who always lost them goods. We have this anti-loss searching device. Basically, this you can basically download an app. You can put this anywhere and you can find it. It basically connects via Bluetooth. So basically, once you connect your phone to it, you just connect it. You just search for something called iSearch and you download the app. There's gonna be like a QR code that you can scan. You can download the app to allow yourself to operate this. But basically, from you connect your Bluetooth to this, it basically shows you where your phone is or where this is basically. You see me? So if you put it in your bag and then you lost your bag, you can basically use your phone and set off an alarm. Alright, I'll give you one example. Alright, so basically it's gonna make that sound so once you connect. You see? So anywhere you put it and once the Bluetooth disconnect, it's gonna start making a loud sound. Trust me, it's very annoying. Like sometimes I lock up the Bluetooth and forget that this thing is close and it start alarm and make DNS. So yeah, so as I said, for people who have the last things, yeah, you can buy this. So yeah, next product. So before going to how them crop top stay and how girl put on crop top, don't forget to download them and use the link in the description. And don't forget to use my promo code DKN5976. That's how you're gonna get these more easier. Let's get it. Alright, next we got this 4-piece set tank top. Is it? Yeah, someone might ask me how to buy this for. Yeah, it's for $11.87. I bought a good amount of these so that my girlfriend can get them because I like seeing my girlfriend in these stuff, like no joke. Like sometimes we can't buy a little dress thing, we eat some woman dress. So yeah, so we got one in white, we got one in brown. They're actually small and could need to be honest. The girls them can buy this because I know say enough girl actually watch I like them some, yeah. So you can just buy them, they can kind of look good, black, brown, orange, white. I'm not gonna show them yet still, but yeah. Before we go into this one here, don't forget to use my promo code DKN5976. Now let's get into the drone. This is the XKRC drone. So basically this is a drone for beginners. So eventually I'm going to give you a little small demonstration. So this drone is basically at $27.96. So basically this drone is basically, it's not basically for novice. May I tell you pine black and not for novice. It can operate good when they have flight, but at the same time you can't fly in too much intense breeze. You basically get the guards, you get 2 extra wings, you get a little screwdriver, you can pull the stuff, you can pull the screws and replace the wings on your own. Get a little controller here with it. It's used Duracell like 3 AAA batteries. I'm gonna give you a little demonstration of it. So basically it comes with two changeable batteries. It comes with 2 cameras. You got one at the front, one underneath. You just slide in the battery like so, lock it into place. You turn on the top. It has LEDs on top still. So basically, yeah, that. Okay guys, so we're ready. You just give it a little ignition right here. Then you do the first one again. So here it is guys. As I said, if you're not used to flying a drone, I recommend being very cautious, okay? So yeah, me kind of have experience with flying a drone, so it's kind of more easier for me. You get me? Do not fly this in high winds. You can go inside and outside, but you have to know what you're doing. Here it is guys, so okay, not on this. Down boy, down! Relax, 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 relax. See them, I have it my side. So basically it has basic covering. It has sensors. You see me? And you have an emergency stop. So now I got my black waffle pattern hoodie set at $9.59. Basically, I wear a lot of pullovers, and if you watch my videos hard, you know that too. A lot of pullovers, a lot of sweats. So yeah, my other pullover got lost, and the other ones, Chrissy took them. So about this new one, can see that it have actual nice vibes. Guys, make sure when you're ordering from Temu, be sure to see if you know that you wear large, order medium. If you wear medium, order small. You see, I cheat me and show you. But this comfortable as fret, and this is a perfect example of why I just said that. But yeah, but differently, I like the pullover. It actually fits good on me because I wear large and I bought this in medium, and it actually fits me really good. The hoodie space is very spacious, so I can't see none of my face. Yeah, I highly recommend buying this. Alright, next thing guys, I bought 3 10-feet iPhone cables. So basically this is one of them. I have about 3 phones, 1 iPad and my AirPods. So basically I need a lot of chargers, and my little brother and I have an iPhone too. So yeah, I bought 3 of them. I got one yellow, I got one purple, one pink. So I'd highly recommend buying these if you like using your phone while it's charging, if you like listening to music while your phone is charged. And don't forget, it's just $2.49. Go online, download the Temu app, use my code, and 1-piece Starry projector light. So basically this makes some clouds of light in the middle of the night. So basically I'm going to give you all a small demonstration. So it comes with a USB, it comes with a little remote, like the remote both says help. I'm not gonna see it. It's kind of simple like a normal TV remote. You basically like just install the USB. Yeah, I made that sound very technical, I know. Okay, I can't find the USB port on this. Okay, I found it now. I was looking for a bigger side. So I'm just gonna make my assistant turn off the lights. And it's on. It's on. Yeah, alright. Okay guys, you know that I have a little ring light on right about now, so you won't see the full pack, but right about now, the place actually looks really good, like literally the red, blue and green. Let's test out the remote, let's see what's going on for it. Okay, so we have keeping it on green, aquamarine. Alright, let's just try A3. Okay, we got a red, we got a green mixed with the red, we got a blue mixed with the green. We got oh shit, this is a nebula type of color, something that you'll see in space, like it's actually good. And yeah, it's basic. And what's that? Oh, that's new. Oh, it blinks too? Alright, nice. I definitely recommend buying this. Alright, hold up. Can I turn out my light, please? Thank you. Okay, yeah, I'd highly recommend buying this. I'm gonna literally use this when Chris is coming over, like no joke. Okay, next. Now we got this 1-piece makeup brush set at $1.99. Basically, it's obvious that I bought this for my girl. Literally, alright, so basically she's gonna be trying makeup. Like when the soon starts to Christina some different type of makeup, just wait man. But yeah, I bought these so she can go and practice. Like she'll go anywhere and I can care if you do her makeup, she can just walk with them. I don't know, man. So I don't know about this makeup stuff. I'll see it, like it, she like pink. That's the next best thing about it. Basically, for the girls them on this that like makeup, you get a lot of brushes for $1.99. No joke. Like, I'm gonna just pretend I know what each of these are for. So you have the foundation over here, you have your cement over here, so you have the top part, surface part, you have the water, you have mix. Yeah, there's a lot of brushes for a lot of reasons, for all different kind of faces. Again, I'm not good with makeup, but yeah, the girls them, trust me, $1.99 for so many brushes. Hello, let's get this next product. So before basically getting to the stocks them now and how comfortable them be, don't forget you can download this link in the description. Don't forget to use the code. Guys, I basically got these socks. Okay, me, I like wearing socks because I like feeling comfortable and I like walking in slippers and shoes without socks, isn't it? I mean, kind of mix it up. Sometimes wear black, sometimes wear white. So basically these socks I said are $3.89. They're actually soft and comfortable. We don't have to put them on because say socks, like we all know how socks look already. As you just end up showing them for now. It's a whole pack. You think? Sock strap. But yeah, you get the idea. Come in. Okay, next we got the woman's super slide slippers. So basically, this slipper is set at $6.58. I saw this and I like this, but I don't know if I'm gonna give it. So I I don't know, like just kind of small still. It's probably due to the sister. Okay, now it's time for the extension. Okay, I saw this extension and I really like it, and it's basically just $7.69. So basically it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outlets. It has 3 USB ports. It has a type C part, so basically if you have a type of iPhone charger and can't fit, you can plug it in. This is a safeguard. I'll take it that it's a safeguard. It has a switch. I haven't tested it out as yet, but yeah, I'm gonna test it out. Yeah, you can basically try this out, guys, because I have a lot of devices, as we all established in most videos or in the early part of the video. So yeah, we're basically gonna use this to utilize our phones, our iPads, our TVs, everything. So let's get it. Now we got the breathable waist strainer for $5.69. So basically, females, this is for flattening up y'all's stomachs. So alright, so Chrissy is in her gym phase. So she's basically trying to get more intact. Me I try to help her out, you see. So this is the waist trainer for her. She have one but it only fret. And I like it, so I got her a new one. So yeah, I realize this is for a mandrill, but I am not putting this on me. You can try it. So basically I don't know how this thing put on. Alright, see man where I do factory work, kinda lift up, kinda use them sitting here, but yeah, I'm not gonna use it. So yeah, so I'm going to see Christine on this Spanday video. Yeah, so basically I'm weird for a video or something. You can use it for a video, you should not use it or something. But yeah, buy it for she. But let's go. Okay, next on the list we got these LED strip lights set at $3.79, guys. So really and truly, this remote is kind of different from the ones that I'm familiar with. I got 65 feet. Really and truly, that's the one. Yeah, it's basically like the normal ring light nowadays. Just roll it out and you plug it in. Basically, if I'm supposed to set up all of this right about now and show you guys, that would have taken very long. And really and truly, as we get them, I'm just start doing to them same time. So, hey, really and truly, we know to them I'm supposed to let out. We know them to let out and they put your water, but really and truly, this kind of look much this. Okay guys, so we got our little color wheel, aka our LED strip lights over here. So yeah guys, so as I said, 65 feet. What am I gonna show this now a different type of way? No, I can't show now a different type of way next time I say, isn't it? So let's go. Go online, download the Temu app, use my code, and let me know about it. So yeah, like, share, subscribe. We outside.